In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer in Wix in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're crafting a new website or sprucing up an existing one, a well-designed footer can enhance the user experience and provide useful information, like contact details or links to important pages. Let's dive into this simple process and get you on track to elevating your website's design. First things first, you're going to start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, go straight to your site's dashboard. This is your central hub to manage and customize your site, providing easy access to all the tools you'll need. From here, locate and click on Design Site. This will take you to the editing area, where you can make direct changes to your website's layout and appearance. Now, once you're in the Wix website editor, you'll see an intuitive, user-friendly interface designed to make the editing process as straightforward as possible. Your next task is to find the plus button, located conveniently on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on this button, and a menu will pop up. From the menu, you'll want to select Strip, because this option allows you to insert different strips or sections onto your page layout, including our focus for today, the footer. Now that you've selected Strip, you'll want to scroll through the available options until you come across the Classic section. Here, you have several footer layouts to choose from. Take a moment to review these options and find one that aligns with the overall aesthetic and functionality you envision for your site. Once you have chosen a suitable footer layout, click and drag it to the bottom of your page. This action signifies its designated position as the footer. With your footer in place, take advantage of the customization options Wix offers. Tailor it to match your site's design by adjusting colors, text, or even adding elements such as social media icons, ensuring everything bears harmony with your overall site theme. If you already have some elements on your site that you'd like to include in the footer, Wix makes it easy. Simply drag any existing item to the footer's area, then click on Move to Footer. This feature is particularly handy for maintaining organized and visually pleasing site navigation. After perfecting your footer, it's crucial to preview your work to see how it will appear to your site visitors. Click on the Preview button to check everything over. Ensure all elements look cohesive and function as intended. If you're satisfied with the result, the final step is to hit Publish, making all your changes live on your website. And there you have it! In a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a footer to your Wix site. Remember, a footer is more than just the bottom of your page. It's an opportunity to enhance your site's functionality and design. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!